Damac Islands is back. After the successful launch and sellout of Damac Islands Phase 1, Damac has yet again brought its most sought-after property type in a lifestyle-focused master community, which we know as Damac Islands 2. Located right on E611 or commonly known as Emirates Road, this project offers easy accessibility to the entire city. You are just 12 to 15 minutes from Global Village and IMG World, 15 minutes from the retail hub of Motor City, 25 minutes from downtown Dubai and DIFC. Once ready, the project will be located within 20 minutes to the then operational Al Maktoum International Airport, as well as the exhibition district and upcoming business district in Expo City. It's 15 to 18 minutes away from the knowledge, tech and innovation hub of Silicon Oasis. We would have the Etihad Rail passing right by this community and the Dubai Loop project in close proximity. With the current expansion plan of Latifa bin Hamdan Street, the travel time and distance to this project is only bound to shorten. The developer behind this project has established itself as the largest private developer in all of the UAE and has delivered around 50,000 homes already. Now let's have a look at this splendid master community which spans over 30 million square feet. From an aerial view, you can see an abundance of greenery as well as the free-flowing water bodies across the entire community. Let's have a closer look at what this community has to offer. At the middle of the community, you have this central fountain. Then you have the aqua park and aqua dome with thrilling rides and chill spa zones. This is where your aquatic adventures await. You have these floating restaurants. At one end of the lagoon, you have hot water spring spa. This carefully positioned rock-like feature which converts this calm water into a waterfall. On the other end of the lagoon, you have a mini golf island. In total, you have 22 amenities spread across this entire community and around clusters. Here you have the yoga and calisthenic park. Here you have paddling facilities, gondola style, water platforms to relax and unwind. Here you have the floating cinema and the green spine. And the green spine that's running between different islands will have wildlife parks, jungle river and fruit market. So the essence of the community is to create a living environment wherein every day feels nothing short of a vacation. However, let's not forget, this is a residential community and thus propose essential amenities to fulfill everyday needs. You have F&B outlets, restaurants and retail spaces spread across this entire community. Along with this, you have two mosques, one on each side, and a school and a community mall on this side of the community. And following the footsteps of Dubai, Damac prioritizes the safety and security of its residents too, by providing its own smart police station as well as CCTVs covering all parts of the community. So you and your loved ones can enjoy these amenities be it day or night. Now let's look at how the properties are placed within the community. You have independent villas sitting right on the lagoon, but within the upcoming lawns, there are no independent villas. However, DAMAC is introducing a twin villa concept, which is a rare product offering across all DAMAC communities. So, twin villas are essentially two villas built on one large land parcel separated by a wall in the middle. In this phase, we expect a very limited number of 5-bedroom twin villas being launched. Each of these villas boasts a built-up area of approximately 3,400 square feet spread across 3 floors, where on the ground floor you have an ensuite bedroom, powder room, separate laundry and storage room, semi-closed kitchen which can be closed if need be, and an expansive living and dining space overlooking the park. On the first floor you have the master and 2 more ensuite bedrooms. On the top floor, you have an ensuite bedroom with a terrace and the maid's room as well. 4 and 5 bedroom townhouse sizes are 2,208 square feet and 3,178 square feet respectively. All 4 bedroom townhouses are middle units and are ground plus 1, with 1 bedroom on the ground floor and master and 2 bedrooms on the first floor. All 5 bedroom townhouses are corner unit and are ground plus 2, with 1 bedroom on the ground floor, master and 2 bedrooms on the first floor, and on the top floor you have 1 bedroom with a terrace and maid's room. Prices starting at 2.75 million dirhams only. My name is Hina Patel, Senior Property Consultant at Experience Realty. In order to know more and to secure your dream home, get in touch with me.